My name is Brenden. I am in the School of Freshwater Sciences graduate program, and I am getting a master's degree. The graduate program does a really good job at giving us hands-on experience through classes and experiments. We also do a lot of collaborations with outside organizations. And then working alongside experts in the field, which are our professors, really allows us to grow into the role and learn everything that there is about the freshwater sciences. The accomplishment I'm most proud of in my graduate program would be working for the McLellan lab. The McLellan labs have pioneered a wastewater surveillance system for COVID as well as other viruses and microbiological contaminants, and that has led to a national surveillance program. The School of Freshwater Sciences had a career fair meet and greet type deal where a bunch of professionals came, and the president of WaterTech was standing off into the corner. I introduced myself to him, just kind of hit it off. I'm going to accept a position with WaterTech of America as a field engineer upon graduation. My advice for future Panthers would be follow your passion. It might change as you're going through school, but just keep following it, and I think you'll be happy with where you end up.